How to fix TikTok analytics not showing. So first of all, simply open your application. Then tap on your profile. Simply press on menu at the top. Then tap on the TikTok Studio. Tap on confirm. Now here you'll be able to see all of your analytics. Simply press on there. As you can see, sometime the data processing may take some time, so it will say just to wait. Such as here it is written check back in 1 or 2 days, and after that your metrics will be updated because the date filter is changed every time, so it's gonna take some time. So you just simply have to wait. From here you'll be able to see all of your analytics and the details clearly, like the traffic source, search query, and many more. You can also try to clear your cache. So simply head back and tap on the settings and privacy and scroll down until you find cache and cellular. Simply press on free up space and there you have it. Simply tap on the clear cache icon and tap on clear. And that's it guys. In this video you'll be able to see your TikTok analytics easily. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.